Tenant Rights and Responsibilities, a complete guide to renting successfully. A tenant is someone who legally rents and occupies a property owned by a landlord under agreed terms. Whether renting a home, apartment, or commercial space, tenants have key rights like a habitable living space, privacy, and protection from discrimination, as well as responsibilities such as paying rent on time and maintaining the property. Understanding these ensures a positive rental experience and a good relationship with your landlord. Fulfilling responsibilities, like following lease terms, respecting neighbors, and reporting maintenance issues, helps avoid conflicts. Meanwhile, knowing your rights protects you from unfair treatment. Whether you're a first-time renter or a long-term tenant, this guide helps you navigate renting confidently while keeping your living situation secure and pleasant.